Hey everybody, Scott here, and today we're going to show you how to install Eaz-Lift's TR3 weight distributing hitch system. First, be sure to click like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on another new Camco video. Before you install your weight distributing hitch system, be sure your trailer and tow vehicle are on a flat, level area to ensure that your trailer is level during installation. Insert the adjustable 2-inch square shank into the vehicle's hitch receiver. With the trailer level, measure the height of the trailer's ball coupler from the ground up. Once the ball mount is installed onto the shank, the height of the hitch ball should be 1 inch above that of the ball coupler. Determine which holes on the shank will provide the correct height and loosely attach the ball mount with 2 3/4-inch bolts. Use the 2 bolts, 2 lock washers, 1 split lock washer, and 2 hex nuts. Do not tighten the bolts. In order to gain correct downward angle of the spring bars, the thumb screw will have to be adjusted. Turn the thumb screw all the way in and mark it at the top. Then rotate the thumb screw counterclockwise 5.5 turns for a good starting point. Remove the ball mount and shank from the vehicle's hitch receiver and rotate 90 degrees. Then reinsert it into the hitch receiver so that the hitch ball is facing sideways. Use a 5/8 inch wrench to tighten down the set screw so that it bottoms out, coming into contact with the shank. Remove and reinstall the hitch upright and lock it into place with a hitch pin and spring clip. Tighten the bolts to 260 foot-pounds to close the gaps between the ball mount hitch and shank. Use a chisel to knock the thumb screw tight, adjusting it so that it won't back out. Adjust it until you see the mark you made from earlier. Making sure the truck and trailer are in a straight line, back the tow vehicle up to the trailer and lower the trailer tongue onto the TR3 hitch ball. Make sure the trunnion is aligned squarely with the trailer. Connect the pre-assembled hookup bracket to the hookup back strap by inserting a flathead screw through the top hole of each. Loosely tighten the screw with a 1/2 inch by 13 serrated flange nut and position the assembly onto the A-frame. Insert the bottom flathead screw through the holes that are closest to the A-frame. Loosely tighten the bottom flathead screw with another serrated flange nut. Insert one of the spring bars into the ball mount, locking it into place by sliding a wire lock pin into the trunnion and groove of the spring bar. Adjust the position of the bracket assembly so its center line is between 28 inches and 33 inches from the center of the coupler ball socket. Now tighten the top and bottom flathead screws of the bracket assembly. Place the spring bar in the cradle of the lift bracket, then insert the end of the lever bar onto the center post and rotate the lever bar up and inward to load. Secure with the tethered wire lock pin and remove the lever bar. Next, install the second spring bar and repeat the assembly and adjustment process for the second hookup bracket on the other side of the A-frame. The installation of the TR3 weight distributing hitch system is now complete. Engage the sway control by tightening the activation bolt until the desired sway resistance is achieved. Disengage the sway control by loosening the activation bolt until the clamp force is removed. And that is how you install the TR3 weight distributing hitch system from Eaz-Lift. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below or email us at info@camco.net. And thank you for watching.
Camco.net.